Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create the AUDI CAR logo here. Okay, so let's get started. So let's click on new and unclick the default template and let's enter our part name as AUDI underscore logo. Okay, so then our unit as MMS spot solid ABS. Okay, good. So now I'm just going to sketch on my front plane here. So let's go for the sketch view. So here I'm just going to draw yeah, four circles with equal constraints here. So then one more concentric circle with the same center point like this with the equal constraints on the previous circles which we have drawn before, right? Equal, and then this will be also equal. So now let's assign this inner dia to a value of 80 and then outer dia will be a value of 100. Okay, so the next thing here is let's go for the dimensioning. So let's select these two midpoints and then this dimension will be 65 and I think everything will be like the same as like a equal distance here. Okay, 65 and this will be also 65. So we have to place this entire sketch on the center plane. We don't want that, but like for the good design, like we need to sketch like that. Okay, so everything that need to be placed on the center point. Here you can able to see this is a kind of center point, but this is not placed exactly here. This need to be placed here. Okay, so for that I need to edit this dimension again. Select this and select this vertical axis. So here I'm just going to create a dimension. So this will be 65 and this will be 65 divided by 2. That will be the center point, right? So 65 plus 65 divided by 2. So now we can able to see our sketch is got placed on the center here. Okay, so now if we click on the escape button, you can't able to see the pink color which has been highlighted on our sketch, and you can't able to see any red color dots which we have created any mistake on our sketch. So here you can able to see these lines. So this is a kind of two circle, but inner this two circles getting coincident with this. So we have to delete all these segments which we don't want. Okay, so let's delete this and let's delete this and let's delete this and this. Now if you click on escape button, you can able to see this part is got highlighted. Okay, so now we have to do the same for all these things. Okay, so let's select this and this thing, escape. Now we can able to see this got good. So let's go for the delete segment again, delete all. Oops, sorry. Okay, here you can see this got highlighted. I think we got deleted something. Yeah, let's select this, escape. Okay, now you can able to see this is not highlighted because as like when you go for a more and more zoom here, like the small line will be extruded here which has been attached with this line, so that may be coincident with this axis. So like we may delete this entire line, but that small line will be presented there. So we have to delete all the lines simultaneously with the same time. Okay, so for this also like this. Okay, so the next delete segment will be like this and this. So now you can be able to see that our sketch is got fully completed, and then we have created all the dimensions here like 80, 100, and then this distance like 65, 65, and then 65. So let's click on OK here, and now we just want to extrude this. Let's go on with shading with edges, and this extrude length, like I need this to be a value of yeah, I think 5. Okay, good. So let's click on OK here. So then I just want to create some chamfer feature here to get some sharp edges. Okay, so let's go for the chamfer. Like let's select this, control key, let's select this and this and this and this and this. Okay, so we have to select this for all the edges, like you can able to see like this, right? So this is a way for selecting each and every lines which has been presented here. So instead of that, let me just undo all this and I'll tell you how to do it easily. Like when you go for a single edge and if you click on right click mouse button, then you can able to see that all the edges has been highlighted here. Okay, once you move your cursor, this thing will be deselected. Okay, you have to right click and you have to check without moving your cursor here, and then you have to click your left mouse click, and then you can able to see that all the edges which has been selected has been created a chamfer feature for this, right? And now if we edit a single value here, everything will be changed because we have selected this as a single select, right? So if we change the value, like, or it will be changed for all these chamfer which has been presented here. Okay, so let's enter a value of 4150. Yep, like, or else, like, if you need this to be very sharp, you can click on 5. Okay, so then you may have this sharp edges. Okay, so I think this is not a good practice. Like, this may have very sharp edges. Like, I think this Audi like a realistic logo doesn't have this kind of sharp edges. Okay, so I'm just going on with this 4.50 as like a tiny part which has been left here. Okay, so let's click on OK here. So the next thing is, like, we have created this on a single side, but on the back side you can able to see this, there's a flat surface here. So I just want to select this extrude and select this chamfer, and I'm just directly going to mirror this towards this plane as a front plane, right? So then you can able to see that this is got also created on the back side also. Okay, so let's click on OK, and now you can able to see this feature is got created on both the sides. Okay, so I think this is a kind of like a, we have completed this, but I need to add some more features here. So let's go for the sketch on the front plane. Let's go for the sketch view. So here I'm just going to add a text here like this. So this will be named as Audi, and then our text as CG Century. Okay. So let's rotate on resize. So horizontal thing like this, and let's reduce the size or the scale, and let's place it here. Okay, later on we will adjust whether this is a kind of center part or not. So let me just check the scale for this. Like, yeah, I think this will be fine. So let's click on OK. So now let's go for the dimensions. So first of all, let me just measure this entire distance. So this will be, let's adjust this to 206, and this will be 206 divided by 2 as 103. So now it will be placed on the center, and let's click on OK here, and let's go for the extrude, and this would be symmetric extrude and with a total extrude of 10. Okay, so this will be the same extrude which we have used for this logo also. Okay, because 5 on this side and we have mirrored it towards back side, so 5 plus 5 will be 10, right? So let's click on OK here. So now we can able to see this text is got floating. So I just want to create one more stand for placing this text. Sketch view, and let's have a reference on this. Okay, close it, and let's go for the center rectangle, and let's place a rectangle like this, and the total length for the rectangle, we have to see this like this. I think this will be fine, so let's have some rounded value for the rectangle also. Okay, so this will be 35, and this will be like, let's have a rounded value of 230. Okay, and let's extrude this, and this extrude length will be a value of 10, and then let's click on OK. So I think this looks really good. So let's create some appearances for this part. So for the appearances, I'm just going to use some metallic, not like a metallic, yeah, metallic aluminum color. Okay, so aluminum as a fully polished color, so we have to search matte polished, yeah, polished for the entire part like this. Okay, it looks good, right? So if we go for the shading with reflections, you can able to see like realistic part, right? So that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. So if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will upload videos based on Creo and Power BI on a daily basis. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, guys. So thank you, guys. Like, we will see next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.